Hey, let me show you how easily you can connect your Nothing Ear One with any Android smartphone. So first of all, just remember to input both earbuds inside this charging case. And remember to recharge your case for 5 or 10 minutes before this process. Now you have to click and hold this button, and you have to wait until this indicator starts blinking. Of course, just remember to open this charging case. Now, when it's blinking white, you have to release this button, keep both earbuds inside, and put it open. Keep this case open. Now on your smartphone, you will have to navigate into the settings, go into the connected devices, click to pair a new device, and from available devices list, select Nothing Ear One. Now just wait for this pairing request, accept it. And as you can see, now we are successfully connected. Additionally, you can get into the Play Store and you can get the Nothing X application. So input name of this application, click to install. Now we have to wait for this downloading process. It will take around a few moments. And after this, we'll be able to add them into this application and unlock more features. So after the download is finished, we can just click open. There we go. Now we have to accept some permissions. Click on the start. Now we can join to the improvement program, but you don't have to, so we can click to skip and do this later. Enable Bluetooth permission, accept. And now, as you can see, we are successfully connected with our Nothing Ear One and the Nothing X application. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.